Hello everyone, this is my next update of the unnamed ball machine. And let me show you the updates. Now the first thing I had to do was, I made this wheel in here. I extended the floor, but I did the wheel first, but then before I could do anything else I had to level out the floor. And you can see the floor is like perfectly level right now, and it used to be like that. I don't really know if you can see it. I leveled it out with paper. I'm not going to go into detail because that would take like another 10 minutes to explain. So let's show the wheel. And this, I just changed the color of this one. I'll probably change it again. And this base is pretty big now. The floor and this tower I'm building right here, this will be another tower. And I detailed the sides, and this hole leads to the wheel. It's really smooth, as you can see. There's several places that lead into it, like the hole right here. See if I can get better detail of that. Yeah. I can load multiple walls at the same time. Let's drop one. Here's the motor. And the floor is pretty cool. You can put it at any point and they all go down in different places. It won't fall off like that. And over here, this paper under here is like levels it out because this leveling point drops down right here. So that's why I had to put paper right there. So this is probably the farthest ball machine will go because the paper ends right here. It goes back down here. It's pretty high. You can't really see it on the camera. But... And I plan to have this thing coming out here. Go over here. This is what I'm building right now. It's just this thing. I'll probably change lots of the blue rods, but I might run out of pieces, so that's why I'm doing this in red rods. So yeah, that should be all. Oh, that was weird. Yeah. I don't have the lifts hooked up to the motors now. The sun is shining really bright. Anyway, that should be all. So, stay tuned for the next update.